Time never stops, and neither does innovation. Timor-Leste continues to move forward with hope and conviction on the path to the future. Today, our story gains a new dimension. Tatoli presents a new program called TATOLI Global, with a clear objective. 1. To project Timor-Leste onto the international stage through news, culture, and diplomacy. 2. To strengthen Tatoli's credibility as a national agency with regional and global reach. 3. To build bridges with audiences in ASEAN, CPLP, and international partners worldwide. 4. To position Tatoli not only as a news agency but also as a primary information intermediary between Timor-Leste and the world. TATOLI Global brings our voice, our identity, and our vision across borders in Tetun, Portuguese, English, and Indonesian. With an innovative program, with an innovative format, and a solid structure, TATOLI is adapting to the digital age. We ensure that news and information reach everyone with the clarity, rigor, and credibility that the world demands. Current events within a Timorese and global context. TATOLI's target audience is as vast as the horizon, from local citizens to the international community. TATOLI Global serves as a meeting point for everyone. Through strategic distribution, TATOLI Global guarantees added value in every report, interview, and analysis, as well as in our shared moments. TATOLI Global, a mirror of information from Timor-Leste to the world, and the world to Timor-Leste.